Dear learners, my name is Muhammad Sattar, Assistant Professor of English, HPPC Government First Grade College, Challakere. Victorian Literature Part 2, Program BA, Subject Optional English, 5th Semester, Davangere University, Session 43. Recap: a dramatic opening of the novel is in the first person narration. The contrast between Mr. Joe and Mrs. Joe's character, food and fire delivered by Pip to stranger. Introduction: character of Pip, the Christmas Eve and March country with the conviction language and a comparative outlook in the Victorian novel. The man convict in the churchyard, morning of the marsh. Objectives and outcomes. Learning objectives: to make the students to understand Pip's odd jobs, to make the students to understand the Joe's party history, to make the Pip to go to the Miss Havisham's house as a Paley boy, to make the students to understand Pip's, Estella and Havisham's character. The students will be session's outcome. The students will be able to comment on the Pip's odd job. The students will be able to explain the novel Joe's past history. The students will be able to describe Pip's position in the Havisham's house as playboy. The students will be able to describe Pip, Estella and Havisham's character. Contents: first person narration of the novel. Contrast characters of Pip, Mr. and Mrs. Joe. Unexpectedly connects Pip and Pip delivered food and file to him. Miss Havisham, Estella and Pip's contrast characters. A dramatic opening of the novel is the first person narration. Contrast between Mr. Joe and Mrs. Joe's character. Food and file delivered by Pip to stranger. Pip doing odd jobs. Pip going to school. Joe's past history. Pip to go to Miss Havisham. Miss Havisham a new character. Element of humor. Contrast between Joe and his wife. Pip taken to Miss Havisham's house by Pumblechook and admitted by a young girl, Estella. Miss Havisham, an old, withered woman. Pip to provide some diversions to Mr. Havisham. Estella, scornful manner towards Pip, towards maid persons. Pip's sense of humiliation, the character of Miss Havisham and Miss Estella, child's psychology. Pip's untrue answers to his sister's questioning. Joe, taken into confidency by Pip. Pip's bitterness, a crucial incident in Pip's life. Pip's want to be an uncommon person because Estella treated him contemptuously. 2 £1 notes for Pip from stranger. The stranger with the file which Pip had stolen. Stare on education scheme. The pupil then entered among themselves and boot and tie system. Miss Havisham's gathered for birthday party. Pip was slapped by Estella. Miss Havisham's physical exercise. Miss Havisham's feeling of frustration in her life. Playing cards with Estella. The fight with a pale young man. A kiss in charity. Pip's helpless passion. Pathos and humor. The pale young gentleman. There is a fight between Pip and pale young gentleman. Pip's apprehension. Miss Havisham's interest in Pip's future. Estella's whimsical treatment of Pip. Joe was summoned by Miss Havisham. Pip's boyish fears. Miss Havisham's grudge against menfolk. Pip's sharp comments on Uncle Pumblechook. Pip's liking for Biddy. Orphan, father and mother died. And here are some questions. Who took Pip to Miss Havisham's house? Pumblechook took Pip to Miss Havisham's house. Joe Gargare, Mrs. Jaggers, Drummle. And the answer is Pumblechook took Pip to Miss Havisham's house. Who is Miss Havisham? Miss Havisham, a gentle lady. Miss Havisham, an old withered woman. Miss Havisham, Estella's mother. Miss Havisham's a housewife. And the option is option 2, Miss Havisham, an old withered woman. Who gave 2 £1 notes for Pip? A stranger gave 2 £1 notes for Pip. Miss Havisham, Estella, a beautiful girl, Biddy. And the answer is option first, a stranger gave 2 £1 notes for Pip. By whom Pip was slapped? By Biddy. Pip was slapped by Estella, by Clara, by Miss Skiffins. Option is second one, Pip was slapped by Estella. Who gave a kiss to Pip in charity? By Biddy. Estella gave a kiss to Pip in charity. by Clara by Miss Kiffins. And the answer is Estella gave a kiss to Pip in charity. Here are some assignments. First one, write an essay on Joe's past history. Give a pen picture of Pip's go to Miss Havisham's house as a playboy. Sketch the character of Pip, Estella, and Havisham. And here are the references. The first one, Humphrey House, The Dickens World. Second one, Dorothy Van Ghent, The English Novel. Third one, F.R. Lewis, Dickens, The Novelist. Philip Collins, Dickens and Education, Dickens, In and Crime. Charles Dickens, Great Expectations by Ramji Lal, A Critical Study.